Looking to stack value from AI and any other initiative, whether that's technology or business. Here's an example. A client, they did a lot of work in maritime, depending on where the vessel was, time consuming, costly to get parts or engineers out to fix problems. So yes, they had spares on the vessel, etc. But what we found was the data was in disparate formats and sent from vessels at different times and hard to articulate. So base level, right? We built a data platform. It wasn't £500,000 on a data warehouse or data lake. It wasn't 25 different systems. It was targeted at the problem. Simple set of dashboards, let them analyze data instead of days or weeks. Second thing is we built basic level of predictive maintenance. There was some common failures that we could identify and predict using just simple things like linear regression. We didn't need complex LLMs to do any of this work, right? But what that gave them was the ability to understand when failures were likely to happen, what were the patterns that led up to them. And from there, they could then stack more value on top. So they got huge value from just being able to access the data, from getting indicators of potential failures before they happened. On top of that, they could then start doing just-in-time manufacturing. They knew what stock they needed and when. And then they could do intelligent logistics. They could understand where a vessel was heading to. They understood what parts they needed in different parts of the world. They could then, with their partners, make sure that there was the right parts in the right place at the right time. So this layers stacked and stacked. And that contrasts that to, for example, multiple pilots in an organization. You've got a pilot here and a pilot there and a pilot there, and they're disconnected. The way I work and time-lapse AI works is about building this value on top of each other, and that's how things compound. And as we all know, compounding value is increased value.